Running out of ice right when guests arrive or during your busiest hours can be incredibly frustrating. Small countertop ice makers often can't keep up, and constantly buying bags of ice gets expensive fast. If you're looking for a machine that can produce a steady supply of ice without the hassle, today's review is definitely worth watching. Today, we're taking a close look at the Restisland Commercial Ice Maker machine, a stainless steel ice maker designed for homeowners, offices, cafes, small businesses, bars, and anyone who needs reliable ice production every single day. It promises commercial-level performance in a compact design while keeping operations simple enough for everyday users. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things you'll notice is its clean stainless steel exterior. It has a professional appearance that blends nicely into modern kitchens, coffee shops, office break rooms, or even outdoor entertainment spaces. It doesn't feel like a cheap appliance. The heavy-duty construction gives you confidence that it's built for regular use rather than occasional weekends. Even though it's a commercial-grade machine, the size remains surprisingly manageable, making it suitable for built-in installation or standalone placement, depending on your available space. Inside, the quality continues with a food-grade interior that's designed to keep everything hygienic. The thick insulation helps maintain low temperatures longer, so your freshly made ice doesn't melt away immediately after production. That's a practical advantage because it gives you more flexibility during parties, busy workdays, or family gatherings without constantly worrying about running out of usable ice. Performance is where this machine really starts to justify its price. Thanks to its powerful compressor, it can produce up to 100 pounds of ice in a full day, while each cycle creates around 45 square ice cubes in roughly 10 to 15 minutes. For most households, that's far more than you'll ever need, but it's especially valuable for offices, cafes, restaurants, or anyone regularly serving large numbers of drinks. Instead of waiting hours between batches, fresh ice is continuously available throughout the day. The square ice cubes themselves are another highlight. They're solid, clean-looking, and melt more slowly than many smaller bullet-style ice cubes found in portable ice makers. That means your drinks stay colder for longer without becoming watered down too quickly. Whether you're making iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, soft drinks, or serving food that requires ice, the results feel much closer to what you'd expect from a commercial establishment. Using the machine is refreshingly straightforward. The LCD control panel is easy to understand, even if you've never owned a commercial ice maker before. You can monitor the ice-making process, adjust cube thickness depending on your preferences, and activate the self-cleaning function with just a few button presses. That automatic cleaning feature deserves special mention because regular maintenance is one of the biggest concerns with any ice machine. Having a machine handle much of that work saves time while helping keep the interior sanitary. Another thing you'll appreciate is how quietly it operates, considering its production capacity. While you will hear the compressor working, it's not overly distracting for most home kitchens or office environments. Once installed and connected to a potable water supply, daily operation becomes largely hands-off, making it easy to integrate into your normal routine. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. This isn't a portable countertop ice maker that you move around frequently. It requires a water connection and enough space for proper installation. You'll also need to let the machine stand upright for 24 hours before first use, which is a small inconvenience, but an important step for long-term performance. If you only need a handful of ice cubes occasionally, this level of production may simply be more than you need. Overall, the Restisland Commercial Ice Maker machine is an excellent choice for anyone who regularly needs a dependable supply of high-quality ice. Its fast production, durable construction, simple controls, and self-cleaning function make everyday use surprisingly easy. If you're tired of buying bags of ice or waiting for slow countertop machines, this could be a worthwhile upgrade. Check the link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.